This is the SC80004K clock radio hidden camera from SpyGadgets.com. This 4K camera records video to a micro memory card for later viewing. No Wi-Fi or network connections to set up. Just insert the memory card and place the camera where you need surveillance. The memory card is concealed to keep prying eyes away from finding your camera. It will record automatically using the motion activation feature, only using memory when there is activity in front of the camera. This clock radio is plugged in, so you'll never need to change batteries. The built-in automatic night vision will give you a picture even when it gets dark, up to 15 feet away. The SC80004K clock radio hidden camera from SpyGadgets.com.